Hello, how are you? So today it's another CFAT practice test questions with answers and problem solving. So this is now the set number 11 of my video series. In today's video, I'm gonna solve two problems with detailed solutions using grade 10 math. But before I do that, I'd like to introduce you to Army Test. So from armytest.com, there's two buttons here. There's a free test, free CFAT test, to allow you to see some sample questions from the actual, similar to the actual questions in the CFAT. And there's also a, uh, a paid version, which is the Get Access button below. So the free access, or the paid version, it allows you to see 950 practice questions, and that will include detailed solutions, animations, and explanations. So 950 questions involves 520 questions in problem solving, 244 questions in verbal skills, and 190 questions in spatial ability. So it's got also a simulated CFAT test, and there are time limits as well, in order to make it as real as possible with the actual CFAT exam. Okay, so it's for your consideration. If you want the free test, I'll put the link to the description of this video, and if you want as well, you can try the paid version to allow you more practice questions with detailed solutions, answers, and animations. Anyway, I'm going back to the video. Okay, for today, we're gonna solve two problems, starting right away with number one. An Ontario real estate agent received a $44,670 commission for selling a single detached home. His commission was 3% of the selling price. Calculate selling price of the home. Okay, it's a very relevant question with the real estate market. So here are your choices, and the correct answer is letter A. Going now to the solution, we're gonna let S as the selling price of the home, and C is the commission, and R is the commission rate. So this is our simple formula here. C, or the commission, is equal to the selling price times the commission rate. Okay, so but we are given the commission as $44,670. Sorry, it's $44,670, and the commission rate is 3%. So now all we have to do is to substitute the given into the formula, and so we get C is equal to S times R. We know C, the commission, to be 44,670. This will equal to the S, the unknown, the selling price, times the R, commission rate of 3%. So we then get 44,670 is equal to S times 0.03. we convert the 3% into a decimal equivalent, which is 0.03. And then we solve now for S by dividing 44,670 divided by 0.03. So then we got S is equal to 1,489,000, which in this case is letter A. Okay, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We just use a simple formula there. Okay, moving on now to question number 2. This question is more of a business entrepreneur. So, a motorcycle parts retailer's monthly total purchase on parts is 210,000. Monthly transportation costs are 3,000. Utilities cost 6,000 per month. Employee payroll costs are 17,000 monthly. Loan payments are 5,000 a month. Monthly rent is 6,000. Insurance cost is 500 a month. Maintenance cost and reserve fund expense is 3,000 per month. And if the store owner's monthly sales revenue is 320,400, what is his monthly profit margin before taxes? Okay, so analyzing the given here, we were given the expenses here. So these are expenses right here. And at the end, we were given the revenue, the sales revenue, which is 320. Okay, so here are your choices, and the correct answer is 23.5%. Solution. So I have broken this into 3 steps, and we start with step 1. Calculate the total monthly expenses. So all we have to do is to add up all the expenses that were given above. 210,000 plus 3,000 plus 600 plus 17,000 plus 5,000 plus 6,000 plus 500 plus 3,000, and then we total them. We get 245,100 as our total monthly expenses. Step 2 now is to calculate the net income, or the profit before taxes. So the net income is equal to the total monthly sales revenue minus the total monthly expenses. So we are given the total monthly sales revenue to be 320,000 right there. And we just calculated the total monthly expenses of 245,000. So all we have to do is to subtract monthly sales minus monthly expenses. So we get the net income, or the profit before taxes. We subtract 320,000 minus 320,400 minus 245,100. We get a net income of 75,300. So now the step 3 is to calculate the net profit before taxes, net profit margin before taxes. So the net profit margin is a percent, it's a percentage value. So the formula is net income before taxes divided by the total monthly sales revenue times 100%. Okay, we just calculated the net income to be 75,300, and we also know the total expenses to be 245,000. No, sorry about that. we know our monthly sales revenue as 320,400. So then we substitute into the formula. So we have net income before taxes divided by total monthly sales revenue. Times 100%, we get the net income as 75,300 as we calculated above, divided by the given monthly sales revenue of 320,400, and then we just multiply the result by 100%, and so we get 23.5% as the profit margin, okay, which is letter B. Okay, so that's it for this video. Like I said, I will put the link of the armytest.com free CFAT exam, free CFAT test questions, and also to allow you to have the opportunity to take advantage of the paid version to allow you to get access to more practice questions. So overall, the practice test questions, they are very relevant, very similar to the actual CFAT test, and I would say that you will have more chances of passing the CFAT exam as you do more practice questions on your own. The more preparation you have, the better chances of you passing the CFAT. So I wish you all the best in your CFAT. Hopefully you pass your exam, and wish you all the best in your career in the Canadian Armed Forces. Okay, cheers and have a good one.